Jubilees. All over the scenario. Dang. Yeah, you gotta check the water, man, coming out there strong, bro. It's more like the sea coming out, like the seas came out back to the land, bro. Hold on. This is the sea. Oh, this is where the sea is. It mixes up with the river. And it's pushing up everything into the sea. I mean, you can actually see where the water mixes up with the seawater. The dirty river water that's coming into the sea. You can see where the line is, where the water mixes up. Dang. Bruh, come on. Check this out, bruh. It took out the road, side of the road. Bruh. I mean, you're driving at night and you you don't see it, and you just drive and you go straight in that river, and then what happens? The water pushes you out into the river straight up with your car, bruh. Dang. That's horrific. Damn, bruh. I mean, where the people when they're doing the roads? Where are the people for like geography? Those people that knows the landscapes and that. So where the river goes, they don't just put a road there. Maybe they put a stormwater pipes and that, so as to protect the people from when they cross when it rains too much in days like these when it's flooding.